So I was actually doing a project that my wife asked me to do and I really didn't want to do and was in a hurry and completely blew it. Was building up a big brush pile on the edge of an embankment so I could, use as much space as possible. I accidentally dropped my front wheel into a hole and rolled my tractor. So here's how I went around to go about fixing it once I actually made the mistake, which really made my wife quite happy. So first off, what I did is take a look at how close I was to some large trees so I can put a block and tackle on it. That way you get a little bit of leverage or mechanical advantage on it. And the area that I did it in is all marshy, so I couldn't get in front of it or to the side of it. So I really had to use something that I could pull pretty much straight into where I was dumping all the wood and still be able to pull from the side, which is why I went to the block and tackle. I used a chain on a large cottonwood, put my block on that, and then ran a tow rope from the block over to the tractor, tied it onto the arm of the tractor, away from all the hydraulic lines so I didn't pinch or break one of my hydraulic lines. Plus it was also on the highest, one of the higher sections of the tractor, so give you a little bit more leverage to pull it back over again.
Slow. It's coming. It's coming. It's good. It's good. It looks good. Oh, here it comes. Go! Almost there. Almost. It's pretty much up. Maybe we got it. Maybe. First time would be awful nice to have fixed it. Sweet. And it's upright and unstuck. You're the man!
So let me show you how I went about going ahead and fixing this little oopsie. First used a soft tow rope so I didn't damage the the tractor at all. I also used these soft ties. These things are awesome. Got a lot of weight capacity and they fit very well inside of a vehicle, and again, no damage to the vehicle that I was pulling out at all. So I ran the tow rope over to block and tackle, 4.5 ton. Used another soft tie, tied it off to a chain that I wrapped around my cottonwood, and then ran the tow rope up to a tow strap, and then just tied it onto my receiver hitch, and it pulled over quite nice and easily. The lesson for today is that mistakes are inevitable. This could have been a whole lot worse. Could have dropped off the front of the pile and and then really smashed my tractor up. In this particular case, all I did was break a mirror. So that being said, I appreciate your time. Thanks much, and hopefully we don't have too many other accidents to show you, but I'm sure we will.